Hello students, welcome to Bubbers Academy. This video is the continuation of atoms and molecules. Please subscribe my channel so that you can see all the videos regarding this topic. Today I am going to tell you about mole concept. Mole concept is to explain the mole concept. Let's take the example of water. Water is made up of 2 atoms of hydrogen and 1 atom of oxygen. Write the equation. I'll write the balanced equation. The first step considered in mole concept is we have to write the balanced equation. So this is the balanced equation for water. This reaction indicates number 1, 2 molecules of I'll explain you. If it is written H2, this is 2 atoms of hydrogen. If it is written 2H or 2H2, this is 2 molecules of hydrogen. This is the difference. Now, first thing, this reaction shows 2 molecules of hydrogen and 1 molecule of oxygen combined to give 2 molecules of water. 2 molecules of hydrogen and 1 molecule of oxygen combined to give 2 molecules of water. The second thing which this reaction indicates is 4U. In the last video I told you about U. This is U is unified mass. 4, how it is 4? 2 hydrogen, that means 2 multiplied by 2, that is 2 molecules of hydrogen, 2 hydrogen atom and 2 molecules of it. That means we will multiply it, it will be 4. 4U of hydrogen molecule combined with now it's written O2. I'll explain here. O2. O2 means 2 atoms of oxygen. And in the last video, I told you what is the atomic mass of one oxygen. It is 16 and 2 multiplied by 16 is equal to 32U. That means 4 units of hydrogen molecule combined with 32U of oxygen. This is not unit, this is unified mass. U, 32 unit of U of oxygen molecule four U of hydrogen molecule combined with 32U of oxygen molecule to give Now we will calculate for this 2 water. 2H2O. That means 2 into H2 will be 2 into 1 plus 16. 2. In last video I told you about how to calculate the molecular mass of water. Same way, sorry, it's 16. That means 2. This will be equal to 2 into it will be equal to not 18. This is equal to 36. So it will give 36 U of water. These are the 2 points which this reaction indicates. Now this means that 2 things we can conclude from these 2 points. First is 2 molecules, about the molecules. That means from first point we conclude that this reaction gives number of molecules, tells us about the number of molecules present of each atom. The other thing this reaction gives us, it explains the mass of the molecules. This 4U, 32U, these are all masses of, this is hydrogen, mass of hydrogen, mass of oxygen, mass of water. That means 2 things we predict from here, number of molecules and mass of the molecules. Now what we will do? These 2 things can be used for finding the quantity of a substance. How we will do this? It's easier to use number of molecules. It is easier to use number of molecules or atoms rather than their masses. This is difficult process and this is easy. So we will take this first point. We will take this first point, number of molecules. So a new unit called mole was introduced for the number of molecules. As the name indicates, mole is taken from here, molecules. Let's see an example. When you go to the grocery shop, you have a list in your hand. Let's say 1 kg sugar, and other thing we can take 1 dozen bananas and many more. Out of these, this is kg and dozen. These are the units we use in the grocery shop. But in chemistry, we have different unit. We can't use these units in chemistry. The unit used in chemistry is mole. This is the unit for chemistry. Special unit introduced named as mole. What is mole? This mole is 1 mole is equal to 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23, maybe particles you can say, This is the what is mole? Definition of mole. These are the number of atoms, ions, molecules in a molecule. So this value is experimentally obtained. This value is the fixed value. This is experimentally obtained value. This value, this is called the Avogadro number. This is named as Avogadro number, or we can say Avogadro constant. This number is used by the chemist, and so it is also called the chemist's counting unit. So this mole is considered the unique unit in the chemistry. If you like my video, comment and share it. Thank you.